Hi everyone. Today, let's dive into the world of design and discover how it's woven into every aspect of our lives. Remember the iPod magic? Think back to when Steve Jobs introduced the iPod in 2001.
Amazing little device holds 1,000 songs, and it goes right in my pocket.
It wasn't just clever marketing, it was a testament to the genius of design. 1,000 songs in your pocket. That's the magic of design. Function and fun perfectly combined. Before that, we had devices like the Walkman, the Discman, even the Samsung SPH M100. They were cool devices, but they had their limitations. They were either bulky or had limited storage capacity. Apple changed the game when they brought in the father of the iPod, Tony Fadell. It showed how design can make something not just functional, but desirable. The iPod isn't the only example of a design revolution. Look around you. Design is everywhere. Your clothes, they are not just for keeping you warm. They are also a form of self-expression. Your shoes, they help you from point A to point B, but they also reflect your personal style. Your phone, it's more than just a communication device. It's a mini computer in your hands. Your home, the way it's decorated, the furniture you choose, it all reflects your personal style and tastes. Design is more than just aesthetics. It serves a purpose. It makes our life easier, more enjoyable, and more meaningful. So, what's your favorite example of a great design? Leave a comment below and let me know. And please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.